It is what it is. I said it is what it is. What's up, y'all? It's your girl QZ, and today, well, right now, it's 7:56 a.m. I'm about to go off to school, but before we do that, I wanted to do a oop today because I think this outfit is really cute. Tell y'all what I wanted to do, what happened, the situation, just everything, okay? So basically, I have on everything except for my shirt, from my shoulders to my shoes, there's tiny heels. So I got this little cropped cargo material jacket, I don't know. Embroidery right here, tank top. And then I have this cute skirt with this little cargo pocket side right here. I think this is really cute, y'all. And then, y'all, it was so sad because when we went to the store, this top was too small for me, so I couldn't wear it like this, but I can't button it up because it just won't look right. And then the skirt was too big for my waist. So my mom, thankfully, she went on Amazon and she bought these little, like, these cute little bears that you pinch on one end and then pinch on the other and then cinch them together and, like, they hold hands so that your things don't fall down, if you know what I mean. Got these little cute bears. And then for my shoes, it might be, my shoes are also coming out. They're just some white Tims. Yeah. In the future, I might get this tailored because it's some parts of it that could be like more fitted on me. Cause this stuff is just not my size, but it was so cute. I had to get it. This was the first purchase where I've been like, this is so cute. I must get it. Like I don't care if I have to tie it, cinch it, whatever I gotta do. I want it. So yeah, I might get this tailored in the future. I would rather wear this with like a white tube top, but my school doesn't allow crop tops and all that excessive stomach showing. And also my mom was like, I don't think you need to be wearing no crop top. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Yeah, that's the one today, y'all. I'll see y'all later.
Let me get it started. Round 1, fight. Round 2, ice. Round 3, bite. Let me get it started.
Hey y'all, so right now I'm at my cousin's house. I stayed the weekend over here. We watched movies and sang songs, and I got some clips I might show y'all. I cooked. When I came over here, I brought some bok choy with me because I knew if I left it at home it would have went bad. So I just cooked it up. It was bright. We ate that and eggs and rice, and but my mama's gonna come get me because I gotta go back to school. I don't want to. I'm so ready to be over with high school, y'all. Like, I'm so ready to leave out of that environment and into the world, into the thick of it, we're jumping through life. But yeah, isn't it hard? Oh, somebody text me. Rory. This must be sunshine. Yeah. Just to give you all a little update. I might film later. I wanted to watch FNAF with her. It came out on Friday, and I'm in this thing with people. That sounds weird. Somebody sent the whole movie for free, downloaded it, clear quality. I don't know how they already got it down like that, but I have the entire movie for free in clear quality on my phone. So I was gonna give it to her, and then so we could watch it on her computer. And then she was like, no, I could just do something with Apple Connect to my TV or whatever. We never watched it. Something wasn't working, and then she didn't want to try it again, so we watched something else. But I want to watch that tonight, because I really wanted to see the FNAF movie, especially since Corey Kenshin was in the movie. And if y'all don't know, Corey Kenshin is one of my all-time top OG favorite YouTubers. Like, growing up, I would watch him play, like, he plays horror games. That's his main thing. But he also is like, he's Christian, he doesn't curse, he keeps his videos very clean and proper and pristine, and he's funny. I really enjoyed watching him on YouTube as growing up. And to see that he's like in a movie, that's big, y'all. Like a movie. This is just crazy. So for that reason, I especially wanted to see it even more. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it later tonight since it didn't work. I'm actually, now that she's in the shower, I'm gonna try it, because I think she was just being weird because she didn't take that long trying to figure it out. So I'm gonna figure it out. But first I gotta find the remote. Oh, y'all, that scared me so bad. Where's the remote? Lord. Okay.
5 nights.
I make her like them.
5 Nights at Freddy's, rated PG-13.
Oh. Now, for all the ladies in the place with style and grace, I wish you rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. Run over, tell your friends up in the GFT, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think now you gonna be here for a while. I roll up the next you do me. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. Ladies tonight, they should be having my baby.
How you living, Biggie Small?
And Biz is giving in. Still toe cap strapped with infrared beam. What? A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the.
And check it. Tell your friends to hear with my friends. We could be friends. Shit, we
Okay, I made the bed, packed my bag, so when my mama gets here, I'll be ready to get in the car. And I will unfortunately be going back to the hood. That is the reality we live in. No more beautiful windows. Can you be quiet? No more beautiful window sunlight. No more open space where I can make noise and be loud. Back to containment in my jail cell where I'm confined and I have no privacy. It is what it is. I said it is what it is. I'll talk to y'all later though, for real. I'm thirsty. I need water. I'm coming. I'm waiting for rain. Good morning, y'all. So today is Halloween. I'm gonna show y'all my Halloween outfit, and I don't got a costume because I'm not allowed to celebrate Halloween, and it's nothing I really wanted to do. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got. I'm wearing this orange and this color and green and black and white, like little cropped sweater thingy. This black long skirt with some dark martins. Yeah. My camera's about to die. Yeah. I would come in my Halloween costume and buy what?
Ladies, I'm an escalator. Going upstairs, so see you later.